everyone, I am back with another video, so let's hop right into it. So my client brought me this Kinky Straight Wig. She didn't like how thick it was. That was her main concern. It is a factory made wig. I'm showing you there how close together the tracks are. So I'm just going in with my seam ripper. You can get that from any craft store. I actually got mine when I purchased my sewing machine, so it came included. So yeah, we're also going to bleach the knots because the knots were not bleached, as you can see here. We washed, deep conditioned, and now we are blow drying it on cool heat until it gets nice and dried. And when it's done, it is beautiful. It's like a natural texture of an African American woman, like really beautiful. So it's really poofy, but we're going to silk press it out, honey, like a fresh press on a Sunday morning on your way to church. So yeah, that's what we're doing here. And yes, this is how she came out. Very silky, very smooth. So yeah, you guys, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.